Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most frustrating issues many iPhone users face in 2026 when the Snapchat camera suddenly stops working. Whether your back camera opens to a black screen, becomes blurry, freezes, or refuses to load altogether, this problem usually appears out of nowhere and disrupts the whole Snapchat experience. Luckily, most of the causes behind this issue are simple, and with a few easy steps, you can get your Snapchat camera working again without needing any professional help. The first thing to understand is that Snapchat depends heavily on permissions. If camera access is disabled, the app will not function properly. So the very first fix is to open your iPhone's settings, scroll down to Snapchat, and make sure the camera toggle is enabled. While you are there, also check that microphone and photos permissions are turned on, because these permissions sometimes interfere with camera performance inside the app. Once you allow these, reopen Snapchat and check if the camera loads correctly. If the problem continues, the next step is to refresh the app. Many users forget that Snapchat stores temporary data, and when that data becomes corrupted, the camera may stop working. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap settings, and clear the cache. This does not delete your memories, chats, or saved items, just the temporary files. After clearing the cache, close the app and relaunch it. Often, this alone fixes the black screen or back camera errors instantly. Another common reason the camera fails is a software glitch in your iPhone. If you're running an outdated version of iOS, the camera system and the app might not sync properly. Go to Settings, choose General, then Software Update, and install the latest iOS version available. In 2026, these updates frequently include stability improvements for camera performance. After updating, also check the App Store and make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the newest version. If the issue still isn't solved, reset your iPhone's camera settings. Go to Settings, tap Camera, and restore default configurations to ensure that no experimental settings are causing the issue. You can also restart your iPhone completely. This simple step resets background processes and often clears camera freeze problems instantly. Finally, if your back camera works fine in the iPhone camera app but fails only in Snapchat, the issue is almost always app-related. You uninstall Snapchat, restart your device, and reinstall the app fresh. This resets all corrupted files and gives you a clean installation that works smoothly with the iPhone's camera hardware. By following these steps, most users are able to bring their Snapchat camera back to life within minutes. So if your back camera isn't loading, shows a black screen, or freezes on your iPhone, these solutions will help you fix the problem quickly and get back to capturing your moments without interruption.